I've extended my lines now, and to show why this is important, I've left one of my lines as it was before, and hopefully this will show us why it is so important for us to get these slots just right. You can see hopefully that all my slots cross over the lines on each one of those shapes. So here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to select, we now need to outline these lines. So I'm going to select one of these lines, and rather than trying to select all of these individually, I'm going to use that same trick as before. Select same, anything that is the same appearance will be selected, so all of my slots have now been selected. And I'm going to go to Object, Path, Offset Path. That's the option that I'm going to choose right there. And what this is going to do is going to outline, where there's a single line, it's going to create a rectangle around it. Now the amount that we offset it is very, very important. We need to offset it by 1.3 millimeters. That's a really important number. If I press OK, you can see what then happens to those. Can you see how they've all been turned from a single line into a rectangle around it? And that rectangle, that width of the rectangle, will match just perfectly the rectangle, the thickness of the wood. Now if we have a look down here, you will remember that there was one slot that I left that didn't cross over the line. Let's have a see what happened to that one. Now over here you can see that when that laser comes, the slot will go all the way outside of the leg on this one. If we have a look at this one, however, you can hopefully see that when the laser cuts out this section, there's going to be a cover in the opening for where the slot should be. And what I mean by that is there's going to be a little bit of leg over the top. You're not going to be able to slide the wood into this slot because there is that bit on the top. So that was the reason why it was important for us to make sure that that whole thing crossed outside of the line so the slot would not be enclosed inside the shape. We are almost done now